Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2025 Nautique GS24. The GS model is your wake, surf, and ski boat. A little bit of everything, does an excellent job on all three. This is the white hull with the Admiral blue metal flake along the side. Really stands out on this nice sunny day. We got the nice tower with the bimini. You've got the speakers, the vertical board racks, and then as we come to the back here, we've got nice seating in the GS24. You got nice sea decking all the way through, and then on the back we did option it with the steer assist and underwater lights. You can see the NSS plate, the surf pipe. She's all ready to go. Why don't you join me aboard and take a look at the rest. All right, welcome to the interior of this GS24. As you can see, the interior is the Mojave brown with the Admiral blue accents and white stitching throughout the boat. In all of our Nautiques, we've got nice storage right into here. Most of the tanks are subfloor. This is an extra bag that you can choose to fill up or not fill up. We've got nice walk through into the boat. You've got your pop-up pylon right there if you do want to do some skiing. We've got the U-shape seating all the way around. This is the pull-out bench as well. In this particular boat, we did option it with the ZZ6, so that's 450 horsepower with 465 foot-pounds of torque with a PCM direct injection engine. We've got the lighting package, JL audio throughout. You've got the speakers up on the tower on both sides with down lighting on both sides as well. We got the awesome helm seat here on all the Nautiques have. Very comfortable. We've got the screen, the Link Panorama screen that gives you everything that you would need. Super simple software system, easy to use, and with the stern thruster, it's really easy to drive as well. GS24 has a nice big bow, nice and deep as well. So if kids are up into here, you can make sure they're really nice and safe. And then as we look back, awesome place to bring all the friends and family. GS24, one of my favorites. Great for a little bit of everything. It's here at our Rogers location, so stop on by anytime and come take a look.